Let's condition ourselves to do our yoga. Slowly close your eyes, join your hands on the sternum. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Let's thank God for all that we have and all that we don't. And let's say our Om. Take a deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Let's settle down. With a few blinks and a smile, open your eyes. Namaste. All right, we are going to stand up again for some exercise today. All right, like yesterday, we are going to become children. Yesterday, we took water everywhere. Today, we are going to become children and start jumping and twisting and jumping and twisting. And let's play Langdi. Whoever can, Langdi we can't do. And left leg Langdi. All right, take 2 steps to the right. And okay, jog to the left. And kick your right leg in front. And kick your left leg at the back. Go diagonally in front. And diagonally back to place. Twist your body. Clap your hands. Shake them in the air. Shake them down. Twist your body. Left leg at the side. Left leg at the back. Diagonally backwards to the right. And back to the place. Diagonally to the front. And back to the place. Hang your hands like a monkey. And shake it all around. And come up. Take a nice deep breath in and out. All right. Let's just do the Kriya. Stand straight. First take a nice deep breath in and out. All right, we'll just revise the Kriya. This is 1, 2 is Namaste, 3 is looking up, 4 is hands in front, and 5 is crossing the heart. Okay? All right, 1, 2, join your hands and bend down. 3, look up with your hands open. 4, in front of you. And 5, cross your heart. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Let's do 1 round of Rekha Gati also. We have not done in a long time. Half foot out, half foot in. Look at a point in front of you. Keep your knees straight and walk. Only one round forward and one round back. Try to look at the point in front of you. And keep your mind on your toes to the heel, heel to toes. Half leg out, half leg in. Try not to bend your knees. And once you are done, come to the mat. All right. Take your belts. Take your belts. All right. Hands above your head. Make them as long as you can because you're going to put it back. Now push it on either side. Push it on either side. Push it. Now slowly take your hand backwards. The longer the string, the easier it is to take back. Youngsters can take it closer. As far back as you can. Yellow zone. Come back up. And bring it down in front. Once again, take it above your head. Pull it on either side first. Pull it and feel the stretch. Now take it backwards. And back up. Yes, you can take it right back, fine, and bring it down. Once more we'll do it. Take it above your head and pull it on either side. Pull it on either side. Now take it backwards. And bring it back up. And bring it down. All right, again on your head. Now bring your right hand down and your left hand. Make it a 9 o'clock or whatever. And stretch on both the sides. One hand straight above your head and the other hand at right angles. And pull. And take it back up. Let's do it on the left side. Hand straight and pull the other one down. Pull up and down at the same time. And back up. Once more to the right. And back up. And to the left. Pull it. And back up. And relax. All right. Now hold the belt in one hand. On the left side, on your shoulders. Take your right hand behind. You know, for Gaumukhasan, we would do it like if we can't fold our fingers to each other, we can pull it on both sides at the back. Just pull the string on both sides. And release. Now take it on your right hand behind and left hand from down and pull it. And relax. Keep the belt and let's be ready for our static Surya Namaskar. Today we'll do it for 6 counts. Look at the point in front of you. Stand straight. Lift your toes and put it down. Lift your heels and put it down. Back straight, spine in. Join your hands into Pranamasana. Take a deep breath in and out. And now take it 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hasta Uttanasana. Very gently take your hands above your head, bending a little backwards, looking up. Breathe normally. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tighten your legs and very gently, parallel to one another. Bring your hands down. Padahasta Asana. Once you reach your position, you can hold your ankles or put your hand on the ground. You can bend your knees for comfort or keep it straight. Pull your head inwards and stay. 6, 5. Relax into the posture. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees a little if you want. Put your hands on the ground and take your right leg as far back as you can. Either keep it straight or put it on the ground. Left leg should be at right angles. Look at the point in front of you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands into the ground and take your left leg back into Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog or mountain. Pushing your hands into the ground, pushing your heels into the ground, taking your hips as high as you can. Stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your knees on the ground, pull your body a little forward and go into Ashta. Keeping your hips up and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your toes outside and come into Bhuja. Stretch your neck looking upwards, toes pointed back, legs together. 6, 5, 4. Pull your elbows towards you, shoulders back. 3, 2, 1. Tuck your toes in, push your hands and come into mountain again. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Push your heels into the ground, hand into the ground and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your right leg between both your hands. Right leg is at right angles, left leg can be straight or put down. Look at the point in front of you. Open your fingers wide and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your left leg next to your right leg into Padahasta Asana. Head, take it towards your knees. Keep your knees straight or bend if you need some comfort. Your hands can be either on the ground or you can hold your ankles and pull your head in. 6, 5, 4. For little stability, you can keep a few inches between your legs also. 3, 2, 1. Tighten your thighs, tighten your legs and slowly release your hands parallel to one another. Tightening everything and using your legs, not your back, to take your hands above your head. Bend a little backwards, looking up and stay. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Join your hands and bring it down onto your sternum, looking at a point in front of you and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your hands again above your head very gently, bending a little backwards, looking at the up on the seat. And breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tighten your thighs, tighten your legs, and very gently, parallel to one another, take both your hands down through your legs. Padahastasana. Once you're in place, either put your hands on either side of your leg or hold your ankles. Pull your head in, knees straight or a slightly bent, and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your hands onto the ground. If you want, bend your knees. Take your left leg as far back as you can. Right leg at right angles. Left leg can be straight or put on the ground. Look at a point in front of you. Open your fingers wide. And breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pushing your hands into the ground, take your right leg back to the other leg in downward facing dog. Push your heels into the ground, hands into the ground, pushing your hips up, putting your head inwards, looking down at your navel, and 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your knees on the ground, bring your body a little forward and go into Ashtanga. And breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your toes at the back and come into Bhuja. Pull your shoulders back by putting the elbows towards your body. Stretch your neck and look front or look up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tuck your toes in, push your hands and come back into Parvat. Putting your heels on the ground, push your hands into the ground, taking your hips as high as you can. And breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your left leg between both your hands at right angles. Right leg can be straight or put on the ground. Check your hands wide open. Look at the point in front of you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your right leg next to your left leg in Padhasta Asana. Pull your head towards your knees and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Tighten your legs fully and release your hands. Keep a little distance between your feet if you want some balance. Slowly take your hands parallel to one another above your head into Hasta Uttanasana. Bending a little backwards, looking up and breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Join your hands and bring down your sternum, looking at a point in front of you. And 5, 4, you can say 6, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the posture and breathe. Open your legs on either side. Take your hand on your chest and on your stomach and breathe. Now take a deep breath in and bulge your stomach out. Breathe out, take your stomach in fully in. Breathing in, bulge your stomach out. Breathing out, bulge your stomach. Breathe in, bulge your stomach out. Breathe out, take your stomach. Breathe in with stomach out. Breathe out with stomach. And release your posture. Move around and come into sitting. All right. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Open your legs in front of you, toes pointing out. Take a nice deep breath in and out. Take your hands on either side of you for Paschimottanasana. No, bend your hands, elbows at the back, fingers pointing forward. Take a deep breath in, bending a little backwards. Breathing out, slowly bend forward and touch your feet. Hold whichever part of the leg you can. Adjust your body. Take a deep breath in, breathing out. Pull yourself down a little more, taking your elbows towards the ground. Another deep breath in, push your body a little more, but keep your stomach relaxed. Once more, deep breath in. Push yourself a little more, relax your shoulders and elbows. Let your knees be straight and pull your toes towards your face. Release your neck and breathe. Keeping the toes towards your face, feeling the stretch. Keep breathing. Slowly release your hands and bring it to the first position with elbows at the back and fingers facing in front. And release. And let's do Purvottanasana. Take your hands behind you. Adjust yourself. Taking a deep breath in, pull your body up. Hang your head at the back. Push your toes towards the floor. and breathe. Keep pushing your hips up and breathe. Slowly release. Sit down. Open your legs and relax. You can shake your hands if you want. Shake your legs if you want. And relax your body. Alright. Coming to Sukhasana pose. Sit straight. Take your hands above your head. Just wait. Take your hands above your head. Breathing in. Breathe out. Twist to the right. And take your hands between your knee between both the hands. Start walking with your hands. And stop. Walk a little more. Take fingers, little more, and stop. Now push your hands backwards, pushing your hips towards the ground. Release your neck. Feel your spine getting stretched. Let your stomach be loose. Feel your spine. Keep breathing. Slowly walk backwards. With your hands, take your hands above your head. Breathing in, breathe out, turn to the left and knee between both your hands. Start walking with your fingers and stop. Walk a little more. Push your body a little more and stop. Now push your hands into the ground backwards, pushing your hips towards the ground. Release the pressure on your neck, release your neck and feel the push. Feel the stretching of your spine, but keep your stomach relaxed. And breathe. Slowly walk backwards. And take your hands parallel to one another above the head. Taking a deep breath in. Breathing out. Take your hands in front of you. Start walking with your fingers. Take a break. Little more walking with your fingers. And take a break. Now push your hands into the ground and push your body backwards towards the floor. Now you'll be able to walk a little more with your fingers. Again, push your body. Feel the full stretching of your spine. Again, relax your stomach. Again, walk a little more, pulling your body down. Feel the stretching of the spine, right till the tailbone, pushing your buttocks into the floor. Slowly walk backwards. Take your hands above your head. Pull it slightly upwards. Turn it and bring it down. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. All right. Get into table. Hands in line with your shoulders. Please check. We become complacent and we just keep it anywhere. They should be in straight line. Knees in line with your hips, in line with your hands. Take a deep breath in, looking up. Cat and cow. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Pushing your spine down, stretching your throat upward. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. And relax in table. Take a deep breath in and out. Take your right leg outside your right hand. Keep breathing and swing your body forward and swing it backward and see if you can go on the heel of your right leg. Again forward and back and forward and back and forward and back and relax. Take your leg back into table. Take your left leg outside your left. Take a nice deep breath in and out and let's swing forward while going back. See if you can go on your heel of your left and forward and go back, forward and back, forward and back and come into table. All right. Let's do pigeon. So take your right leg under your left hand. Take your left leg as far back as you can. First, adjust your hands to sit straight. Now slowly take your hands forward and put your forehead on the ground. Feeling the stretch. Now your left foot, see that it is straight at the back. Toes pointing backwards. Your body should be straight and then feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Slowly come back to the sitting pigeon pose, half pigeon pose. And slowly sit on your right bum and turn your body. And with your left leg stretched out. Take a deep breath in and out. Put your hands above your head. Bend your left hand towards your left toe and hold it ulta. With your right hand above your head. Take a deep breath in and out. Bend as much as you can. Slowly release your hands above your head and turn and come back into table. Take your left leg under your right hand and push your right leg back into pigeon. First, adjust your hand to sit straight, half pigeon pose. And then slowly go forward as far as you can, putting your forehead on the ground. See that your right leg is pointing backwards, straight, toes pointing back. Feel the stretch. Keep breathing. Don't sit on the bum, but be straight. Slowly come backwards again into half pigeon. Pull your spine in. Now sit on your left bum and turn, and you will have your left leg bent and your right leg out. Take your hands above your head. Taking a deep breath in. Breathing out, take your right hand towards your right toe and hold it ulta, taking your left hand above your head. Bend sideways, keeping your stomach relaxed. Slowly take your hands above your head. Turn your body and come into table. And then sit in chair. All right, let's get into mountain. Put your heels on the ground. Click your heels up and down. Now heels on the ground. Take a deep breath in and out. Go on your toes fully and pull your body forward. And go back on your heels. Go on your toes fully and come body forward. And go back. Up on your toes and forward. And back. Up on your toes, forward. And back. And stay in mountain. Take deep breaths in and out. Take your right toes behind your left heel. Lock both the knees, feel the stretch. Pushing your hands into the ground. And back. Take your left toes behind your right heel. Lock both your knees. Feel the stretch. Push your hands into the ground. Slowly release. Put your knees on the ground and lie down on your stomach. Relax your whole body, your arms, your legs, spine. Take long, deep breaths for the heartbeat to come back to normal. All right, hands beside you for Bhujang. Feet together, toes pointing back, forehead on the ground. Taking a deep breath in, come up. Without using any pressure on your hands. Look at a point in front of you and breathe. Take your right hand and touch your right thigh and back. Left hand touching left thigh and back. Right hand touching right thigh and back. Left hand touching left thigh and back, and forehead on the ground. And relax. Salabhasan, hands under your thighs, chin on the ground. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, take your right leg up. Lock your knee, point your toe and push your leg as high as you can. And breathe. Relax your shoulders and release. Take a deep breath in. Breathing out, take your left leg up. Lock your knee, point your toe and now push your leg higher. And breathe. And release. Taking a deep breath in, breathing out, both the legs up. Let your hands help you to push it high. Lock your knees, point your toes back. And release and relax. Slowly turn onto your back. And take your belts. Take a deep breath in and out. Legs together, hands together. Take the belt in the right foot. Slowly keep it down. You can hold it with both hands and it is going up. So take a deep breath in and out. And breathing out, you can take your right leg up. Now breathe normally. Pull with both your hands. Try to keep your elbows on the ground. And pull. Pull the toes towards the face. Lock your knee. Now take your left hand in a straight line outside. And with only your right hand, take your right leg to the right side. Open your arm so that your elbow is out a little bit and just pull with your hand. Keep your knee straight and toes towards the face. See that your left leg is straight on the ground. Your hips are on the ground. Feel the stretch. Keep pulling. Pull the toes towards the face. And slowly bring it up. When you come up, you can hold it with both your hands. Pulling it towards your face. Try to keep your elbows on the ground. Now, hold it with your left hand. Open your right hand at the side. And only with your left hand, take your elbow a little out. And take your leg to the... Try to keep the other leg straight on the ground itself. Lock your knee and point your toes towards the face. Keeping your shoulder on the ground. Keep breathing. Bring it back up. Holding it with both your hands, pull it towards your face. Try to keep your elbows on the ground. Toes towards your face. Lock your knee. Once again, right hand out. Only with your right hand you take your leg down, keeping your left hand in a straight line. Keeping your right leg on the ground itself. Keeping your shoulder on the ground. Adjust your belt accordingly. Feel the stretch. Pull the toes towards the face. Slowly bring it up again. With both the hands and elbows on the ground, pull it towards your body. Toes pointing towards your face. Lock your knee. Again, take it in your left hand. Open your right hand. Pull the string as much as you can. Elbow a little out on the ground. Knee locked, point the toes towards the face. And bring it back up. Pull it with both the hands, elbows on the ground, toes towards the face. You can bend your leg a little bit now and release. Put it in your left leg. Take it up to 90 degrees. Pull the toes towards the face. Both your elbows on the ground, pull the leg towards you. Right leg on the ground. Now holding it in your left hand, open your right hand in a straight line and take your left leg to the left side. Open your elbow a bit, elbow on the ground, and take your leg as far down as you can. Lock your knee and point your toe back. Feel the different stretch. Consciously right leg on the ground. Try to keep your body straight, shoulder on the ground. Slowly take it back up. Pull it towards the face. Both your hands, toes towards the face. Open your left hand and take it left leg to the right side with your right hand. Again, shoulder on the ground. Keep pulling your leg, locking your knee, toes towards the face. Keep breathing. Slowly bring it back up. With both the hands, pull it, elbows on the ground. Again, hold it with your left hand. Open your right hand at the side in a straight line so that our shoulder is on the ground. Lock your knee. Point your toes towards the face. Right leg on the ground. Feeling the stretch. Take it back up. With both the hands, pull it, elbows on the ground. Once again, left hand out in a line, hold it in your right hand and take your left leg to the right side. Pull it, take your elbow little out, pull it, toes towards the face, knee locked, right leg on the ground. Keep breathing. Take it back up. Pull it with both your hands. Toes towards the face. Slowly bend your leg and release. Take your right hand and massage your left hand or wrist and palm. And take your left hand and roll your wrist and make fist and open, make a fist and open, make a fist and open and relax. Relax your body. Taking a deep breath in and out. Now just make a namaste with your legs, butterfly with your legs. Take your hands under your neck or you can fold it above your head and relax into the posture, closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly release the posture and relax. One more before we go. We'll do a Sarvangasana and Halasana. Those who cannot do the Sarvang or don't want to do the Sarvang can do the 90 degrees. Open the legs, scissors and back, and again 90 degrees. Open the legs, scissors and back. All those who can do Sarvangasana, get ready. Keep your legs straight, hands straight, feet together. Take a deep breath in and out and slowly take the body up to Sarvang. Stay in Sarvangasana. Look at your chest or your toes. No other movement. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax into the posture. Point your toes to the sky. Slowly go into Halasana. Relaxing into the posture. Take deep breaths in and out. Bend your knees into Ardha Halasana and support your back with your hands. Slowly, with the help of your hands, take your legs down, hips down, and lie down in Shavasana. Open your legs on either side of you, toes pointing out. Hands away from your body, palms facing the ceiling, fingers loose. Shake your toes and shake your heels. Bang your thighs up and down and relax. Alright, let's do our baby pose. Bring your knees up towards your chest, take your hands up and shake your hands and cry and laugh. Shake, 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 head side to side, side to side, side to side, side. And now release. Dead man pose. We did it. Any thoughts running in your head? Or you're mindful of your breath? Relax your whole body. Let go. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Right hand above your head. Bend your left leg. Left hand on your stomach. Just take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath in and release. And gently with the help of your left hand, come into sitting meditative position, keeping your eyes closed, back straight, sit on your sitting bones. Let's do only 3 rounds of Anulom Vilom with holding the breath. So I will give the count. Right hand on your nostril, right thumb on your right nostril, ring finger or little finger on your left. First take a deep breath in and out. Now breathe in through the left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Release from the right. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through the right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the left. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in from the left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the right. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in from the right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the left. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in from the left. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the right. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in from the right. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the left. 2, 3, 4. Suspend. 2, 3, 4. Release your posture. Take a nice deep breath in and release. Rub your hands. Cup your face. Spread the heat all over. Open your hands in front of your face with a few blinks and a smile. Look at your hands. And now open your arms and hug yourself. Say, I love me.
I love me.
And open your arms and hug everybody. We love you all.
We love you all.
Thank you, God, for this opportunity to do yoga together. Namaste. Long session.
You must come.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.